The eruption which started in the 1st April, it was too close to the Grindavik. And it started like this, magma oozing out of the ground like that. And the movement of the magma creating dikes and fracturing the rocks ahead of itself, creating a swarm of the earthquakes in that area. This is how it looked like. When the initial oozing of the magma went ahead, we saw a sharp drop in the south area in the GPS data, and then a slight rise, and then nothing. All the GPS stations in the south near the Grindavik show this pattern. We are now actually falling down more. There is no rise. But in the immediate area to the north of the Grindavik, we are seeing sharp rise in the GPS data showing the magma movement and being added to the ground, so lifting the ground and creating a bulge in that area. All the stations shows that. We'll also show you the stations on the map. You can see that they're all located to the north of this Grindavik Sorsengi area. Most interesting was the GPS data from the Vågor, which up to that point was quite constant. Then we had a rise now. The land is rising. This is the GPS stations map. And when we show them in the form of the stress existing in these areas, we see two clear points. One was near the Grindavik, that was the eruption. And then to the north of it, we see that, and that's where the magma is accumulating. And this is what I published 1 year ago when such a similar thing happened with the eruption near the Grindavik and burning some houses in that area. Bulge to the north was the area that the magma was moving, and after that we had all these eruptions in the north. And this is again appearing to be the case. We are now having the magma almost near the surface, 1.5 kilometers down within the earth crust, near the Vågor, between the Store Storkfjell and Little Skogfjell, in those areas. Whether this time the magma accumulation leads to an eruption, we have to wait and see. It's getting more difficult every time. But what we are seeing is that the magma accumulation has started, is rising sharply, and in this way we can actually see within the earth crust what's going on. This is what happens when you know your structural geology.